I was on the Golden Age Minecraft subreddit, and I found that somebody asked how to set up a Minecraft Alpha 1.2.6 server. So I thought I'd make this into a video in case other people were wondering the same thing. So I went to archive.org, and I went to the Minecraft download page, and I was able to go back far enough to find the server.jar file for Alpha 1.2.6. So I'll put this in the description. All you have to do is just download the server.jar. You click on that, and you save it. There's also going to be this line of text down here that you want to copy at the very bottom. What you're going to want to do is go to your downloads, which I have open right here already. And what you're going to do is you're going to want to just make a folder and put the server.jar into there. You can do this anywhere on your computer. I'm just doing it in my downloads to make it really easy. And you just want this to be called server.jar. So change it. If you've already downloaded one, it might be server 1, server 2, etc. So you're going to make a new text document, go into here and paste this from the Minecraft website, save it, and you want to rename this to run.bat. You just run that, and then when you run that, you'll start seeing that your server is kind of working. So just say stop, and I'll save all the chunks and everything. You want to go into your server properties. Just want to go open with, and then choose Notepad, or just double click on it. The first thing you want to change on here is online mode. You want to make it false, because if you make it true, then it'll get confused, because it'll try to connect to Minecraft servers, but there are no authentication servers for a Minecraft version this low, so it won't work. Your port number you might want to change if you're already running a Minecraft server on your network, but this is the default for it, and that should be fine. If you need to change it, you can make it like 6, 7, whatever you want. I'm just going to make it the default. For the server IP, you just want to go and find your IPv4 address, so you want to go open your command prompt, and set ipconfig, and you will find your IPv4 address is there. This is my one. So just want to copy that and paste that into there, close that, save, and then you just want to run the server.bat again. After that, the server is set up. There's only a couple more things. Is that if you want it to be actually be online, you're going to need to port forward, which I will not show you how to do in this video, unfortunately. But there are a lot of videos on how to port forward. You can just look up any Minecraft server port forwarding tutorial on YouTube and you'll find it. But for actually connecting to your server, I would recommend using MultiMC, which I actually have over here. It just allows you to create lots of instances of Minecraft with different mods, and it's a lot easier to install mods and to set up different .minecraft directories using this. So you can just pick the version you want from here. I'm just using Windows 10, so I picked the Windows download. So I'd recommend installing that. And also, if you want your skins to work, you're going to need to download the SkinFix, which I have right here, which I'll link in the description. Another thing that you're also going to want to note is that if you're running on the official Minecraft launcher, then you will not have your username. You will have the username player524. I made a YouTube video on my original YouTube channel that describes how to kind of fix this issue. It doesn't work all the time, but I found pretty good success with it, so I'll link that in the description as well. But if you're following with the MultiMC, then this is what you're going to want to do. Right-click, create instance. Once you have it installed, you're going to want to check one of these. So this is for the alpha. So scroll down, 0.2.6, just go OK. And what you're going to want to do is click Edit Instance, and then you're going to go into Version. You'll see this is the environment for like Java 3D games or whatever, 3D programs, and this is just Minecraft. So you want to click Add to Minecraft.jar. And you want to go to Downloads, and you just want to click on the simple SkinFix and click OK, and then that'll install that on the game. And then you can close this, and you can just click Launch. It'll take a second, but your game will load up. Alright, cool. So now it's here. You can go multiplayer, and you can put to the IP of the server. This is just the IPv4 address, which is local. But if you were once you port forward, you'd want to give someone your public IP address. And the way you'd find that is by going to Google and just looking up what's my IP. And you'll find this address right here. Don't give this out to people you don't trust. This address should just be for your friends. You just click connect, and so now I'm on the server. And I'm with my skin, which works. And if you want to make yourself an operator, you just need to go to over here and type set op and then your username. And now I'm opt. So if I wanted to go I can just give myself things, I can do whatever. And if you're curious as to what would happen if you use the original Minecraft launcher to boot this up, I'll put a clip right here of what happens. Paste the same address, click connect, and as you can see, I was before, like I'm using the same account as before, but now my skin doesn't work, I'm just Steve. If I type on the chat and say, hello, I'm player524, and yeah, it doesn't play as nice. So if you want to play online with some friends, I would strongly recommend using MultiMC. And I could probably even connect with both accounts. Why don't I try that? That could be funny. Connect? Will it let me do it? Hey, do want to Lego join the game? So as you can see, we're two different players. So I just move around. Look, that's me. You can see that my username on here is do you want to Lego? You can't. I guess you can't see my skin on here. I'm assuming that everyone would give the SkinFix for it to work, but pretty visible. You can see over here, the name is just null. There's nothing there. It's player524. And I've already made a video addressing how to fix that. So if you're curious about that, you can check that video out. So I hope this is helpful to you. If it was, then cool. If not, then sorry. I guess ask me questions in the description, in the comments, and I'll try to answer you.